to fight fire with hellfire.
The battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1! You have to stop them from securing the mission area.
I prefer teams of 4, but I can make this work.
Finally! Make way! There's a see, you're coming through! Let's rumble!
I can handle anything now. One less hug, one less problem.
Check this place out.
I always did have thick skin. Spicy bad guys.
The moon haunts you!
I will turn around or I
Let's rumble! Feeling better already!
Your powers are mine!
Let's rumble!
Your brother would be proud, Magic.
I'm coming!
Disappear!
Dangerous! Got your back! See, you're on the
Get to look behind you.
make way!
For mutant kind!
Unite all stands with you.
Thanks,
Our enemy has been spotted.
Benji's here!
Your brother would be proud, Magic.
Give these onks a wide berth if you can. I don't like onks.
I'm good to go!
Only 60 seconds left.
Rock just the idiots I was looking for! Let's clobbering!
Would be proud.
Coming! Let's roll!
Magic onk?
Oh, got your back! The moon haunts you!
Down to 30 seconds.
Man could probably use this. Hang on a little Make way!
One exploding blood. The final 10 seconds.
Let's rumble! Can't get rid
You'll
of
have to
me!
keep fighting until we have a winner.
I am blind!
Shields up.
That's sure!
For mutant kind!
Benji's here!
I can.
Make way! Sure!
Us against the world.
Solid teamwork!
Armed and dangerous!
Final score, 3 3, 2, 0. Another epic victory! You'll need a top-notch team to win this one.
No one escapes hell.
Round 1, go! 30 seconds before you attack. Get ready.
King Loki, you're yet to deliver what was promised.
And I shall, your unholiness, right after I have my time to rule.
You'll soon find time is meaningless in the afterlife.
The battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All you need to do is capture the mission area. Got it?
I was born to battle, but I have learned to love peace as well.
Perfect. Endless battle means ever-increasing hell.
I'll patch you up.
Healing. Why would I need healing?
My command.
I still need you.
No escape from hell. Those were your best soldiers, Namor. The king of...
Never thought I'd be sad to see death.
Attack them!
Help!
No goddess is ever truly gone. I want your soul!
The foul beast died as traitors to my kingdom.
Enemies.
Mighty ocean king has fallen.
I am barely harmed. Find that soul.
Hey, Teeny! Enjoy the amplifier! Someone scratch my back!
Namor's body is Never thought I'd be sad to see death.
Your god is suffering.
Resistance is futile. Immortality has its privileges.
I know these wretched creatures all too well.
The wizard is
I want your soul.
go!
Who is time to reap some souls?
Might!
It's too easy when you never miss.
I bring the hammer down!
You're quite welcome.
Hey, Teeny! Enjoy the air
I'm
from
fine,
fire!
don't mind me.
My good team!
Get in there.
Only 60 seconds left. I am ready to put on a show!
Pulse!
I want your soul.
Bring on the chaos!
It's the grand finale!
We're holding back up!
That one hurts.
Not myself!
I want your soul.
I'll patch you up!
Hell unleashed!
The mighty ocean's king has fallen.
Down to 30 seconds.
Supernova! I am barely
Faster! We're out of time!
The final 10 seconds.
I shall claim my victory eventually.
The current score is 0-0. Time to switch things up, including which side you're on.
No one escapes hell.
The right heroes could make all the difference.
Be wary. No timeline exists where Magneto yields.
Round 2, go!
I will do what it takes to protect my people, no matter the price.
They'll be coming in 30 seconds. Stay strong.
Should you fall, Thunder God, I shall put that hammer of yours to good use.
Mjolnir can only be lifted by those who prove worthy. I fear you are not on that list.
Who needs to lift it when I can reshape its Uru metal and release
The battle
cosmic
starts in
storm
5,
within?
4, 3, 2, 1. You have to stop them from securing the mission area.
My heart hurts for my brother. That will not stop me from defending Asgard.
Healing power.
What terrors have you called some assistance, please?
You're welcome!
Ah, much better.
The damage we could do here is unparalleled.
You're welcome!
Legend.
Don't step on lava!
A new threat rises underneath the waves.
I'm smart and helpful! I'll patch you up!
Here they are. Ah, much better.
Don't mind me! Not just dying! This time I need healing. You're welcome!
Approach the site with caution.
Hey, Teeny! Enjoy the amplifier!
This shield will serve you well.
Watch it down. You be more careful next time.
Namor is unleashed.
You're welcome!
I feel like myself again.
I am Asgard's might!
Exactly what insignificant. Some healing will do me well.
This could be treacherous territory. I require slaves.
Seize! Awaken fury and smite the foe!
Ah, much better.
No darkness to survive.
I am ready to put on a show!
Supernova!
Only 60 seconds left.
Fear Magneto!
I'll patch you up. Enjoy the amplifier!
I feel like myself again.
Shielded from harm. Born again!
Down to 30 seconds.
It was but a scratch.
The final 10 seconds.
Beholds the God of Thunder!
All right!
We'll have to keep fighting until we have a winner.
Good medicine.
Final score 1-2-0. Another epic victory! Big win! The right heroes could make all the difference.
No one escapes hell.
Be wary. No timeline exists where Magneto yields.
Round 1,
I
go!
will never allow Krakoa to suffer the same fate as Genosha.
They'll be coming in 30 seconds. Stay strong.
If you step out of line, Mr. Bonds, I will not hesitate to rip that metallic limb from your body.
Then I guess it's a good thing I only need one arm to take you out.
The battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Vortex field! Focus on the battle.
I will crush them all.
By Odin's beard. What spider lives in that sky-spanning web?
You need to stop that vehicle in its tracks.
You shall not be harmed.
Please. Chin up.
You are under my protection. You cannot hurt me. I must preserve my charge. I feel like myself again.
This is real firepower!
Us against the world! They got the drop on you!
You need not fear.
Need
Be more
assistance?
careful next time.
Again!
Invisible?
The Punisher is upgraded his arsenal. Insignificant
Chin
mess.
up.
Much better.
You stopped them in their tracks!
You are under my protection.
By the eye of Agamotto!
Resist! Friends, gather around!
It seems we have company. You need not fear.
Judge! Jury! Executioner!
My friends are here! They're sneaking from behind!
Behold! That child!
You are under my protection.
Shields are more Steve's thing.
Chin up!
This is real firepower!
Fear Magneto! Kneel before Magneto.
Double KO!
Cannot hurt me.
Shields up!
You need not fear.
Only 60 seconds left!
You cannot hurt me.
Us against the world! Behind you! Down to 30 seconds!
You are under my protection.
Shields are more Steve's.
We must persevere.
Friends, gather around!
Again!
Some sort of turret. How crude.
The final 10 seconds!
Insignificant mass. I feel
The current score is 0-0. Time to switch things up, including which side you're on.
Be wary. No timeline exists where Magneto yields.
You'll need a top-notch team to win this one.
I am Groot.
Round 2, go!
I am Groot.
30 seconds before you attack. Get ready. I am happy to see you too. And happy we will be in this battle together. The battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1!
The enemy. I am heaven and hell here before.
Help get that vehicle to its destination! Anyone willing to help? I can park that turn for all of us, please. I need assistance!
I am...
Better watch your back. Chin up! Like you said to me.
Awakened fury.
Friends can safely navigate the strands of the web. Final score, 1, 2, 0. Another epic victory! Big win! Pick your hero. Or villain, I'm not judging.
No one escapes hell. My domain will one day encompass all souls.
30 seconds before you attack. Get ready. I am happy to see you too. And happy we will be in this battle together.
I shall be pleased to rule such beauty.
The battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1! All you need to do is capture the mission area. Got it?
Friends have saved my life far more times than weapons. Even so, it's always nice to have a couple of weapons.
Ah, here they are now. I'll patch you up.
I am...
Anyone willing to help?
I hate this part!
I may return from my own realm.
Looks like the mission area is yours to capture now. The mission area is
again. You're welcome.
Turn around.
Healing? Why would I need healing?
Namor's got evil squids now. Seriously?
An opportunity for combat.
See that?
Denizens of the deep.
I want your soul. A brief taste.
You've captured more than half of the mission area. Keep going. Control lost. Double KO.
It appears some timelines feature a very different version of me.
Disappear! Their team's capture progress has passed the halfway point. Squirrel versus Squid Kid?
Don't mess with the amazing Spider-Man!
Sayonara. Step aside.
The time entanglement is a vexing problem, even for the Sorcerer
almost got it!
Supreme.
You're welcome.
That takes
Good medicine.
See that?
What have you summoned now, Namor?
Protect your keep.
There is only one Sorcerer Supreme.
Seconds before you attack. Get ready.
When I see someone with powers like yours, I think, wow. I mean, how can I compare?
Don't compare. You just spread your light.
The battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All you need to do is capture the mission area. Got it?
We won't run away anymore.
Our foes have found us.
Look up behind you!
I purge the darkness!
Looks like the mission area is yours to capture now. Double KO!
You're welcome.
The mission area is yours.
Wild creatures have risen from the realm below. Dark magic! I am strengthened for battle.
Double KO!
Another falls to the Sorcerer Supreme.
Fucking hurt! They'll be coming soon. Country protect us. Another one gone dark.
I have tagged a foe. Hunt them. Nobody can stand up against a full-strength Scarlet Witch.
Keep your ugly friends in the sea, Namor.
Don't mess with the amazing Spider-Man!
Captured more than half of the mission area. Keep going.
One couldn't win without the power you summoned now, Namor. I purge the darkness!
I am ready to put on a show!
I'll patch you up. That's fucking hurt!
More arms to break. Leave them to Khonshu!
The area is almost yours!
Khonshu demands vengeance.
So cold.
You know what, time for some fireworks.
I am strengthened for battle.
You'll have to keep fighting until we have a winner.
Namor's plan was cursed.
I would knit the dimensions back together if it were within my power.
Seconds before you attack. Get ready.
I try to do the right thing, but people always end up thinking I'm crazy.
I know exactly how you feel.
I mean, it's not my fault an Egyptian god whispers in my brain and tells me who deserves his righteous vengeance.
Okay, so maybe not exactly.
The battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All you need to do is capture the mission area. Got it?
My mystic power. By Ashtor, there are baby wizards everywhere these days. If I had the patience, I would open a school.
You need their power.
This is a nice spot.
On your toes. Here they come.
Our mission has led us to this spot. I am strengthened for battle.
Looks like the mission area is yours to capture now.
Hey, T! Enjoy the amplifier!
Leave me, darkness!
The mission area is yours. Double KO. You got them all.
Advantage gained in material plane.
Ready to unleash the life force.
A disappearing act.
Wreak your creative destruction here.
I have fallen under their sway.
Enemy in front of us.
Never to go swimming again, Sire.
Good medicine.
It's Spider
Don't mess with the amazing Spider-Man!
You've captured more than half of the mission area. Keep going.
Leave them to Khonshu!
Attack the foe. Hunt them. Out, dark magic.
I am ready to put on a show.
on you.
The area's almost yours!
Somebody scratch my back.
I'm opening a portal.
You're welcome.
A shortcut through space.
We'll have to keep fighting until we have a winner.
I am strengthened for battle.